Good morning everyone, myself Priya Rawal and I am from SSGI. So today I am going to explain dashboard on HR analytics. We will focus on visualization and data analytics. So here we have dashboard divided into three sections: first, top, side and mid, and they are the KPIs which we can see. The first one we have total number of employees, which is 200, and next we have all selected person, which is 100, which does not change. It is constant, even we use any filter or any card. And next we have male and female, which is male is around 110, female 90, which actively shows balanced workforce. And next we have active employees and inactive employees, which is 142 and 58 inactive. Next we have high performer, which is around 40, and low performer, which is around 87, which shows that we have to improve the performance of the employees. We will give active female, which is around 80, male and 62, which shows balance between both. And next on the side we have selected percent of department, which is around marketing, sales, which is highest, and second we have operational, and next we have pie chart, which is total employees divided into two chart, male and female, which are 45% and male and female 55%. And next we have salary by department. Marketing department has the highest sale, and operation also has the highest sale, which shows that it is a functional area for the workforce. And next we have salary by location, where we can see Chennai, Hyderabad and Kolkata actively shows the highest salary. And next we have employee ID by location. Chennai shows the highest employee count. Thank you.